Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Garland County and Central Arkansas, Central Saline County and Central Arkansas, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles north of Lonsdale, or 8 miles east of Hot Springs Village, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Benton, Bryant, Hot Springs Village, Haskell, Traskwood, Lansdale, Salem in Saline County, Alexander, Bauxite, Avila, Nance, Congo, Grape, Bland, Crows, Owensville. A severe